Listen up, you lot. Tourmondo's taking you on a bloody delicious journey to the Far East. We're about to explore the top 5 Chinese dishes that'll make your taste buds scream for more. We're talking about food so good, it'd make a Chinese granny weep with joy. From the streets of Beijing to the markets of Shanghai, get ready to dive into a world of flavor that's going to blow your mind. So buckle up, get your chopsticks ready, and let's get this culinary adventure on the road. First up, we're hitting up Beijing for the legendary Peking Duck. This ain't your average roast, folks. We're talking crispy, golden brown skin, so thin you can see through it, with meat so tender it melts in your mouth. You see that glistening duck hanging there? They've been air drying it for hours to get that skin absolutely perfect. Then, they roast it over an open fire until it's practically glowing. And the carving? It's an art form. Thin, delicate slices, each one a perfect balance of crispy skin and juicy meat. Next, we're off to Shanghai for some Xiaolongbao, or soup dumplings, as you amateurs might call them. Now, these little beauties are a true testament to Chinese culinary skill. You got a thin, delicate dough, pinched and pleated to perfection, encasing a steaming hot, savory broth. One bite and that explosion of flavor hits you like a freight train. You've got pork, you've got crab, you've got vegetables, all swimming in a rich, aromatic broth. It's enough to make you want to order a second steamer basket, and a third, and maybe even a fourth. Hold on to your hats, because we're heading to Sichuan province, home of the fiery mapo tofu. This dish is not for the faint of heart. It's packed with chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns that'll numb your tongue and set your mouth on fire. But trust me, it's a delicious kind of pain. The tofu is silky smooth, the pork is rich and flavorful, and the sauce is an explosion of heat and spice. You'll be sweating, you'll be panting, but you'll be begging for more. That's the magic of mapo tofu. Now let's take a break from the heat and head south to Guangdong province for some dim sum. This is a culinary adventure in itself. Steamed buns filled with everything from BBQ pork to sweet custard, delicate dumplings, savory rolls, and so much more. It's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. You pick and choose what you want, and it all comes served in those cute little steamer baskets. It's the perfect way to sample a bit of everything Cantonese cuisine has to offer. Don't be shy, try a bit of this, a bit of that. You won't be disappointed. Last but not least, we're diving into the world of hot pot. This is more than just a meal, it's an experience. Imagine a simmering pot of flavorful broth right there at your table, and a smorgasbord of fresh ingredients just begging to be cooked in it. Thinly sliced meats, fresh vegetables, mushrooms, noodles, you name it, they got it. You become the chef, dipping and cooking your food to perfection. It's interactive, it's social, and it's a bloody delicious way to end our culinary journey through China. So there you have it, you lot. 5 Chinese dishes that are guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. From the crispy skin of Peking duck to the fiery kick of mapo tofu, Chinese cuisine is a journey for the senses. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and explore the world of Chinese food. But be warned, once you start, you won't be able to stop. From crispy Peking duck to sizzling hot pot, Chinese cuisine offers a variety of flavors, textures, and experiences that will delight any food lover. Subscribe to Tourmondo for more culinary adventures.